Now, if you'll notice over here in my test2 directory, I have three files: gboole.jpg, pp1.html, pp2.html. Now, over here, behind me, I have the result of this web page, pp1.html, but you didn't see that. So let me click on File and close all, save. Now, let me get this back up here. Let me drag pp1.html in here, and now let me get this back. Here you see the results of pp1, page 1. I'll move this up just a tad so we can see the code. First, I have my typical HTML, then head, end of head, title, end of title, body, end of body. Within that framework, I have image source equals gboole.jpg. That's this guy here. That's the picture on the left. That's me. Image source equals gboole.jpg and end of the tag. But the guy on the right, who is me also, is not just a JPG, he's a link. Now, how did I do that? Now, if you look over here, you'll see image source equals gboole.jpg. And if you look in the next line, you'll see the same thing. But it's bracketed between these two items. I'm telling the system, listen, system, I want to make an address. Here's the end of the address. What's the address I want you to go to? Well, here it is. HTML reference page will be pp2.html. Oh, that's this guy right here. Right in the same directory. That HTML page. Yes, that's right. You're going to get that guy up on the screen. When I do what? When I click on this picture. Wow. All right, one more time. System, I have an address I want you to go to. It's the HTML reference page, pp2.html, which is in the same directory. Notice it's encapsulated within single quotes. End of that part of the tag. There's my greater than sign. Now, next part, the middle part. This is what the user sees and clicks on. It's usually text, like down here, but this time it's a picture. It's an image. Source is gboole.jpg in single quotes, then slash, and the greater than sign. So that's the end of that tag. And here we have the end of the address. So when they click on this guy, he's going to go to this web page and display him. Wow. Underneath that, it says, this is your page, number 1. And down here, you see the equivalent of this fellow up here, except no pictures. This is saying, it's an address I want you to go to, HTML reference page, pp2.html, and it's text here that they click on to go to page 2. They don't see this part. They just see this part. Here, the user just sees the middle part, here, again. And when they click on the middle part, the left-hand side gets executed. Same down here. Text is seen by the user. When they click on the text, the left-hand side of that text gets executed. What do you know? Okay, enough talk. Let's put this into action. So I click on Run and launch in Firefox. And up it comes. This is your page number 1. That's it down here. Now notice when I hover my arrow over the picture on the left, nothing. But when I hover my arrow on the picture on the right, you're going to see an address pop up. There it is on the bottom. Test2 pp2.html. That's where I'm going when I click on this guy. Here we go. I'm going to click on him now. Oh, when I go to page 2. Here it says go back to page 1. This is the text version. That was a text link. Now if I open this up just a little bit more, you'll see this guy down here, pp2. That's here. Remember we talked about the other link method, which is just text? We used a text link method and a picture linking method. What do you know? So once again, with the text linking method, we just have text in the middle part. When you click on that, it'll go to that page. Page does. When you click on that, it goes back to page 1. With the linking method for pictures, if you click on the picture, it'll go to page 2. Wow. So there are two ways to do it. You can do it with either text or with the picture. Either way is fine. And it's basically the same method. This is what the user sees, and it's highlighted, underlined, if it's text. And over here, the picture itself serves as a link to what? To the guy on the left. H-reference, HTML reference page, pp2.html, which is in the same directory, right here. What do you know? And that's it. That's all I have to say for now. Thank you so much for listening. I'll close out here. This is George Boole. Bye-bye now.